It was a case like no other. The trial of Bruce Lehrmann may have ended with a juror's misconduct, leaving no findings against him, but the fallout continues. Now it is inquiry head Walter Sofronoff in the firing line.
I think there's been a lapse of judgment here.
It was the preemptive release of the report before the government saw it that angered the Chief Minister. The ACT government has asked for legal advice about whether the law has been breached, suggesting a possible Integrity Commission referral.
He breached his good faith to me by releasing that report ahead of giving it to who he was meant to under the legislation.
The report has already claimed its first scalp. Its scathing assessment of the ACT's Director of Public Prosecutions, Shane Drumgold, triggered his resignation, although he has disputed the findings, particularly suggestions he was dishonest. But it may not be over yet, with the prospect of a criminal charge.
I have written to Mr Drumgold inviting him to make a response to that commentary to me before the government takes a final decision.
The government says it has also reviewed 18 cases conducted by Mr Drumgold while in the role of DPP, with no adverse findings.
The government does not consider that a more detailed examination is warranted.
Nearly everyone closely involved in this case has paid a heavy price. The latest is Shane Drumgold. Walter Sofronoff may be next. The government has endorsed most of the recommendations, which are mostly aimed at better training for police. But that's likely to take a back seat while today's matters are being resolved. Elizabeth Byrne, ABC News, Canberra.